Hi everyone, welcome to second part of Godot Fundamental series for editor. Let's get started. So now in the script I want to export some variables. So how I can define is export public string my string name. So I want to have it in my editor so as a editable value. So in order to get that I need to click on build button. So my node has that export variable, so here I can give my string name. If you want to export different type of variables, please refer the documentation. Let's go to the second one. So in this node I want to access some values, let's say G index. So how can I access in C#? This G index I can get it from where index equal to this dot Z index. So this is node is referring to that attached script of that node. So basically I can access this Z index. So I can print that gd dot print this index value. So let me give it the value of 5. So if I run it, it should print the value 5. Here you can see it is printing multiple times because it is running in the underscore process function. So if you have created all the scripts, now you want to have a version control. In VS Code you have a extension called getlength, so it will have all the version control values and extra features. So just install this one and restart your editor. After that you can commit your changes. For more information you can refer this card. It will show up in your right side. Once done you can commit all your changes and you can sync it to your version control GitLab or that 4.2 dev 4 onwards you have an option to change the color of your folder, so you can change the colors as your wish. Inside folders you can give different colors like as shown here. This is a really nice user interface feature which is coming to stable versions of Godot. Let's say you want to export to different variable. As of now the C# mono build currently supports Windows, Linux, macOS and Android. It doesn't support iOS, web and UWP universal export for Windows. This has to be aware if you are using the C# version of your Godot 4.2. And there is an option called Orphan Resource Explorer. Basically it will show all the orphan scenes, scripts and whatever created in your editor. So it is really a nice feature, have it in your editor. And you can click on open user data and you can see all the shader caches and logs into this folder. So basically it will log all your data whichever created by the user or any exceptional errors happened. Let's talk about debugger options. So let me create a collision shape for this enemy. So let me run this scene. So once run you can see that this collision shape I can't view it. So in Godot there is a nice feature where you can go to debug and click on these collision shapes. So whenever it is running you can see your collision shapes. So basically it is nice way you can check your collision shapes, bodies and what is the effective area and all. And you can change the debug color of your collision shape. So all the enemy types has one type of color, and all other collectible items has different color, like that you can create. And in Godot, you have a nice feature of monitoring the performance also. So let me run this one and go to debugger, go to profiler and start your metrics. So once you start your game, you can run your game for a while. In the backend, it will monitor your FPS, process, physics, time taken, and all the delays and all. So once it is done, you can go to monitors and you check wherever it is taking more spikes, and which is consuming more resources. And there is an option to export. Go to MISC, and you can export your metrics as a CSV file. I can save as some GG file. So right click on your file explorer and open file manager, search for that file and open in your VS Code, and you can see all the exported metrics of your game. It is really nice feature to have it in our Godot. Let's say I want to install add-ons from asset library. You can click on asset library and the top icon, and you search for the add-on you want to install. Let's say I want to install the first add-on, inventory system. I click on it. So it will show a little description and some images of that add-on. So I click on download. Once installed, these will be added under add-ons folder. All the add-ons will be added under this folder. In order to enable this add-on, you go to project settings, plugins, and click on the plugin you want to enable. That's simple. Let's say you want to know about some nodes. You right click on it, click on open documentation. It will give all the info of the node examples and types and functions available for those nodes. This is offline documentation built in within the Godot editor itself. And you can use F1 as a search help, and you can type whatever node you want to search. Let's say node 2D, and I click on it. So node 2D, what all objects it will inherit, the functions, all the features will be listed in the engine doc itself. If you want more content like this, please comment down, like and share and subscribe. Thank you.